Hey, I'm Maggie with Empathy Motors. Let's be real, this 2016 Ford Explorer Limited Edition is not here to play. It's here to conquer carpool lanes and win driveway envy. Chrome dip confidence meets a body that says, yeah, I work out. Sleek, powerful, ready for summer road trips or dramatic grocery runs. Inside, pure VIP vibes. Leather seats, softer than your favorite hoodie. Tech so smart, it practically reads your mind. And enough space to comfortably ghost your group chat friends in person. Whether you're hauling gear, kids, or party friends to the club who never pitch in for gas, the Explorer's got you covered. 7 seats, front cooling and massaging seats, panoramic views, and enough cup holders to shame coffee shop. You bring the snacks, it brings the style. Loaded with features like backup cameras so sharp, it could spot your ex from 2 blocks away. So call me, Maggie, at Empathy Motors at 856-765-7817. Before someone else steals your new personality on wheels. Explorer Limited Edition. More charm than your last situationship and way better mileage.